Hello guys, welcome back to Dilz kitchen. Today I'm going to make you veggie noodle with chicken teriyaki stir fry dish. Okay, let's see how it is done. First heat the pan and add some oil, potatoes, bell peppers in 2 colors, carrots, cucumber, salt and pepper to taste. Adding cooked noodles, finally some scallion. With this veggie noodle, I'll be making chicken teriyaki stir fry on special recipe. So let's go for it. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of honey, and squeeze some lime juice to it. Add some salt to the mix and mix it well. Heat the pan, add some oil to the pan and add the chicken to it. Salt and pepper to taste. Now take out the chicken from the pan and heat it aside. While chicken fried oil is in the pan, add red chili powder and honey mix to it. Add 1 cup of water, some salt and pepper to taste, and little bit of herbs. Finally, the secret ingredient, hot chili sauce. When the mix is well cooked, add the chicken to it. Now it's finely cooked. Now you can taste your chicken teriyaki with the colorful veggie noodle. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.